Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. These are the assets that we will be checking out one after the other. I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. Like I said earlier today, that this actually started a downtrend right from here, and it got to this support region, had a pullback, and of course I said we try it out again. If it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more and we'll be getting to this region. But as you can see, it got there and it had another pullback. Okay, so this is where the pullback should come to an end. Okay, so if it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will go back down and try this support zone again to see if it can break out from here. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend, except if it breaks out below the support. I mean, if it's unable to break out below the support region, that is when it's going to buy. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Okay, so this is GainX 999. I'm doing all my analysis on 15-minute time frame, so you can follow up with it, most especially if you're having this custom made indicator. Just like I have analyzed this in the morning, you can see all the TPs have been achieved. Okay, so that's so amazing. This happened to be our entry point. Then our stop loss TP 1, 2, 3, 4 have been achieved. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to achieve. I mean, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will switch into a downtrend. Okay, so for now, this is buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This actually went on uptrend right from here, but it came to an end at this point and it started a downtrend. We analyzed this also in the morning. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and it had a pullback and might be trying out this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will come back down and sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. But for now, this is still buying until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. Now let's move on to Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. Okay, this had been on uptrend right from this support region, and it is still buying even as it is. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The only way it will stop buying is if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, that is when it will not buy again. Okay, so you guys should take note of that. So I will move on to the next asset right now, which is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend for a while. Like I said earlier today, that this has actually got into a resistance zone, and I'm going to take you to each one to let you see the exact resistance zone I'm talking about. I told you that if it gets to this resistance zone, it will try a downtrend, and of course the downtrend might come to an end at this point, except if it breaks out from here, that is when it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back up and see if it can break out above this resistance zone. And if you should go back to 15-minute time frame, notice that it is pulling back at the moment from the resistance zone. You can see it right now. So this is the next target. Okay, if it breaks out from here, then possibly we are most likely for us to find it around here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to go further from there. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.